Welcome back to our edpm class. Now today we'll be closing off punctuation marks by discussing the amount of space that are left when typing various punctuation marks. So let's get into today's lesson. First, we want to talk about the comma. So we should leave one space when typing text and leave no space when typing numbers. Semicolon. One space after typing a semicolon. Colon, we should leave two space after typing a semicolon. Full stop, we should leave two space after each sentence, one space after an initial, and no spaces when we're using a full stop in abbreviations. The exclamation mark, two spaces after the typing an exclamation mark, and two spaces after typing a question mark. A hyphen, we should leave no spaces before or after typing a hyphen. A dash, one space before and after typing a dash. And ellipsis, three space or on space full stops. Parentheses, one space before and after the bracket, inside and outside. So one space before the bracket, one space before you start typing in the bracket, one space before you close the bracket, and one space after you have typed your bracket. The apostrophe, no space before or after typing the apostrophe. Quotation marks, no space after the first quotation and no space before the last quotation. So that means when you're typing the word, the first quotation should be joined to the first letter and the last quotation should be joined to the last letter. Please pay attention to the amount of space used when typing, because when you're doing your SBAs and your manuscripts, you'll be marked down if you don't have the correct spacing for these various punctuation marks and if you don't know how to use the punctuation marks correctly. So pay attention, look at the video, do your own research, read your textbook, ask your teachers to help you out with understanding spacing and the use of various punctuation marks. Stay safe. That's all for today's lesson, and I will see you in the next class.